Finn's new racing track.
No.
What do you reckon, Finn?
Good.
The cars don't want to stay on the track though, is the only problem.
That falls to pieces.
Falls to pieces, does it?
Yeah.
And Max, get set, go! Woo! Yours went off.
That was my one.
Go! Oh, I've got it wrong way.
Riveting.
I think it's the driver. Got his driver's license out of the wheat bix packet.
Have you got your driver's license, Finn? Finn, have you got your driver's license?
No, I haven't.
Are you sure?
Oh.
The way you drive, you're never going to get to drive Mummy and Daddy's car.
Go, mister, go. Nearly. Go, Finn, go. Woohoo!
I want my one go round here.
Well,
Go round there.
I know, I'd like it to go around as well.
I want my one go under the lights over here.
I think it's short circuiting.
My one.
Woohoo! Okay.